Welcome to Daily Insights on the A Collision with Purpose project. I am Dr. Laxley Stephenson, and I'm your host. Today, I invite you on a transformative journey that begins not by looking outwards, but by delving deeply into the uncharted territories of our minds. This journey, known as introspection, is not just an exercise in self-reflection, but the bedrock of discovering and living a purpose-driven life. Envision introspection as a powerful light in a vast, dark cave. Each step we take inward, guided by this light, reveals the intricate patterns of our thoughts, the colors of our emotions, and the hidden gems of our deepest desires. This process is vital, for it is only when we understand our true selves that the mirrors of our lives' purpose emerge from the shadows. The significance of introspection in finding our purpose cannot be overstated. It is akin to a sculptor chiseling away at a block of marble. With each introspective thought, we chip away at the layers of doubt, fear, and societal expectations. What remains is the purest form of our being, our purpose. This is not a purpose imposed by external forces, but one that resonates with the very core of our being, forged from the fires of our deepest passions and convictions. Consider for a moment the lives of great individuals who have changed the course of history. What set them apart? It was their unwavering connection to a purpose that was deeply rooted in self-awareness. Through introspection, they tapped into a wellspring of motivation and clarity, propelling them to pursue their vision relentlessly. Introspection is more than a tool. It is a journey to the heart of our existence. It asks us to be brave, question, seek, and understand. In a world that often values the superficial, introspection calls us to embrace the profound. It challenges us to ask, who am I? What do I value? What is the unique mark I wish to leave on this world? As we embrace introspection, we align our actions with our authentic selves, leading to a life of congruence and fulfillment. We become not just passengers in our life, but pilots, steering our lives with purpose and intention. So let us commit to this inward journey. Let us seek the wisdom within and let it guide us to our true purpose. For in the depths of our minds lies the map to a life of profound meaning and fulfillment, a life that resonates not just within ourselves, but in the world we touch. Until the next time, on Daily Insights, thank you and blessings always.